Hello. The purpose of this research was to establish a model to share EHR data among healthcare providers under HIPAA regulation, as most of the electronic health records are accessible only by patients, not by healthcare providers. So, here I propose a new personal health library model which is able to serve as an EHR data integration and sharing protocol using an object oriented query language called HQLP. Here, our HQLP supports classes, subclasses, objects, inheritance, overriding, methods, and encapsulation. Also, HQLP semantics similar to SQLO, which is an extension of SQL, and demonstrate that they are sufficient and powerful enough for modeling classes. Let's consider a practical example. Fia is an old woman who moved to Idaho from Michigan University and prefers to follow up with her neurologist in Michigan when she routinely visits family. This means that she must share some of her medical records with the establishment in Idaho and her previous primary care physician at Michigan Health System in Michigan University. But this is practically very tough. So, to resolve this problem, if we give a closer look, in the first diagram, here Fia considered her consolidated yellow EHR to share with Gritman Hospital in Moscow and UMSH respectively. This view also includes part of Fia's sister's Ellie's EHR as shared family history. Here, diagram 2 captures the final fact that Fia created another fragment EHR called Purple EHR to share with Moscow Medical Pulmonary Regional Hospital and LabCorp in edit view and copy modes, respectively. Since LabCorp is shown as a subordinate entity of both Moscow Medical and Pulmonary Regional, it will inherit the view and edit permissions of the purple EHR, in addition to the copy permission directly assigned to it. So, here we will have methods named purple EHR at FIA and the permissions at FIA for LabCorp, Moscow Medical, etc. On the other hand, similar to SQLO, HQLP semantics is assigned using a translation to SQL. I also developed a testbed where we can execute HQLP query. In this interface, when we submit a HQLP query, then it shows the relative SQL query and the output in a table. So finally, I want to say that a complete object-oriented query language can greatly aid in modeling HIPAA AOR data integration and privacy elements. Thank you.